8.5 hours of driving through heavy rain, gravel, and country back roads. Will the new build on the Z06 hold up? This is a stress test. 5:52 a.m. This is an early one. The rain scared off 95% of the group chat. It's only a couple of us that are committing to this drive today. Will it be worth it? One thing's for sure, we wouldn't find out if we stayed home. We have about an hour and a half to meet with the crew, so let's talk mods. Here's all the performance mods that are done to my Z06. Air in. MSD Atomic Air Force intake, ported by Iron Mass. MSD plus porting keeps the top end breathing. 103mm Nick Williams throttle body prevents the choke. Haltech Super B MF108 keeps IATs honest. Custom Speed Ink cam, here are the specs. Deep idle, fat mid, clean top. Measured BTR push rods, Comp Cam's Trunnion upgrade kit. Exhaust. Cook's 2 to 3 inch long tube headers, Cook's 3 inch X pipe, Corsa Extreme axle back. No aftermarket heads. Yet. I refresh the factory castings with the right hardware, keep their legendary flow, and spend the money where it moves the needle. CHE bronze guides, Manley 1.61 inch stainless steel exhaust valves, BTR 0.660 inch platinum dual spring with titanium retainers, new GM LS7 lifters. Fix all the known weak links and keep that legendary flow. We finally met up with the crew. Real validation is not dyno pulls or horsepower numbers. It's hours upon hours driving through bad weather and questionable roads. If something's weak, today we'll find out.
I'm standing there on the Benz train, hanging on to reality. I'm losing faith when the time bleeds. At least I still got some air to breathe.
Bro, this is a clean roller. Like, goddamn.
Past life. Sometimes it feels like life's a distant memory of that night. Sometimes it feels like you're already next to me, and that's why. Sometimes we fight, it's never wrong, it's never right. I try my best to taste the highs past life. Past life.
Fuck. Dude, your underglow looks so fucking cool. First stop, refueling with the crew. So far, about 2 hours in, heavy rain, she did just fine. Long, steady throttle, temp stayed in check, throttle response was sharp. It didn't feel unfamiliar, which is a good thing. Looks like the weather is clearing up, still very damp and cold. Let's see where the road takes us.
Whoa.
This is fucking gravel, Jason.
We are slidey here. Oh, are we on gravel? We are on gravel. Sorry, guys.
What the fuck?
I just felt it get loose all of a sudden. I was like, oh.
The gravel test. Not sure how this applies to my build, but we do find ourselves on a gravel road by mistake.
Say, this road was great until it wasn't.
But since we're here, we're all slow rolling at 3 miles per hour. We have time to show you the dyno numbers, because I know you're going to ask. .564 and 524. Now back to the fun. This would have been great. Oil temp is consistently under 180, coolant under 200. So far, so good. Another couple hours of driving, still very conservative, it is still very wet, we're just being careful, waiting for the roads to dry up. We find ourselves at the first spot, we all pull over for a photo op.
It's already pretty great.
very pleased with this.
and also a semi-scenic outlook.
It says I pooped here.
What?
Someone wrote it in Sharpie.
That's pretty funny.
Yeah, it's good poop view.
Second leg of the day, roads are drying up slightly. We can push the car a little harder now and safer. These should be some pretty epic back roads. Jason always finds the good ones. I'll shut up and let you enjoy the sounds of a cammed LS7.
Good thing it's already broke.
I know. I'll never change it.
what this build is all about, the mid-range. This car pulls so clean in the mid-range all the way to the top. And I cannot stress enough, I think my favorite part of this build was swapping out my motor mounts. The car feels so much more balanced, delivers torque so much better, and shifting feels way cleaner. But the mid-range, it's addicting.
Fuck, I have no traction control. Damn it. We have to be careful now.
And again, my most consistent annoying issue ever since doing this build, I get a service traction system fault. Every time the wheel spins a little bit, I downshift too hard, it completely faults out. As you can tell, I was holding my distance from the lead car. It was still very damp, so I was trying to be careful. Now I have No traction control. I'm pretty sure ABS is also faulted out. Even if I had the traction in competition mode, it still faults out under the same conditions. And I cannot re-engage traction or even competition mode until I recycle the car. So we're stuck on a spirited drive with a bunch of performance cars in the wet. I won't have a chance to stop and recycle. We gotta be careful. Even with all these leaves covering the cooling stack, the car stayed remarkably cool, a consistent below 180 for engine oil and a consistent below 200 coolant. And this is where everyone departs. We had some killer talent along with us for this day rally. I'll show some pictures here. I'll drop everybody's Instagram down in the description. Some awesome captures throughout the day. Now, a 3-hour drive home. Let's see what happens. A damn check engine light. We're still about 2.5 hours away from home and I don't have a scanner. Let's pull over and see if a recycle will clear it. Didn't work. And the cherry on top, my airbag light came back on. The car is seemingly driving normal, so we're just gonna power through. And we finally made it home. A full day of driving, various different road surfaces, inclement weather. I would say this shakedown was successful. Now let's scan this thing.